Hi, I'm Chef Tyler White with UT Culinary Institute. We're here today to make Tennessee hot chicken with you for your game day experience. We're going to start by making a marinade that we need to do about 24 hours in advance. Our marinade is going to consist of buttermilk and hot sauce. You can choose your favorite hot sauce. It doesn't have to be any one that's particular. The buttermilk and the hot sauce are going to help tenderize and flavor our chicken. The chicken that we're going to use is a thin sliced chicken. This will help make our cooking process go quicker. It'll make sure that our chicken is nice and juicy and our breading is crispy without overcooking our chicken or overcooking our breading. We're going to take our chicken, put it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours is ideal. If you don't have that much time and you want to make it on game day, try to give it a good 3 hours in the refrigerator before we bread it. Our sauce is going to be one of the most important things with our Tennessee hot chicken. We're going to start with melted butter. We're going to add salt, black pepper, granulated onion or onion powder, depending what you have, granulated garlic or garlic powder. We have paprika. Our spice for our hot chicken is going to be cayenne pepper. To sweeten it, we're going to use some Tennessee sorghum. Mix all of our ingredients together and keep this warm. With our chicken marinated, we need to make our dredging flour. We're going to use all-purpose flour, cornstarch. This will help give a crispy texture to our chicken. We're going to add whole thyme leaves that are dry, black pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper. We're going to mix our seasonings up nicely. Everything's evenly distributed. And then we're going to pull out our chicken that's been marinating for 24 hours. We have our fryer set to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to dredge individual slices of chicken and set it in our fryer. Once our chicken is well dredged, we'll shake off any excess flour that might be on there and we'll gently set it into our fryer. This is going to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Our chicken has been frying for about 5 minutes now. It's floating, which is a good indication that we're getting close on our temperature. We're going to pull it up, fully drain our chicken. We're going to set it on a rack to drain. We're going to take our warm butter and spice mixture and rub our chicken. Brush it, get it in there. In order to plate our chicken, we have a toasted brioche bun. We're going to set our chicken breast on our brioche bun and garnish with house-made pickles. This is a sweet and sour pickle that'll go nicely with our spicy chicken. In order to plate it for game day, we have it set with Tennessee toothpicks ready to go. I hope you guys enjoy. These recipes should be live streaming with us now and available on UT Alumni website.